Hi, hello, good morning. So today we are going to discussing the important topics of different able labor. So previous videos we had discussed about the social security and social assistance. So what things should make ensure that what we are given to the employees labor in industries. So that all the things were discussed, seen the concept in previous video. So in this video, we were discussing about the different able labors in industries and India. Introduction. Let's hi everyone. So welcome back to the channel. So again, I welcome you all to this video. Today we are talking about something about different able labor. So include the individuals with physical and intellectual or mental disabilities who the contribute meaningfully to the workforce. The person who has rights to persons and the Distribution Act 2016. So this is shortly called as RPWD Act ensures the equal opportunity and dignity and the inclusive in employment. Okay. There are individuals with the physical, mental, and sensory disabilities who are capable, are skilled, and ready to contribute, but often they overloaded in the workforce. So in India, 2.68 crore people live with disabilities. Only the small percentage get meaningful employment. Yes. The good news is the things are changing from Digital India to PM schemes like Divyanjan Empowerment and Skill India. So we are slowly building an inclusive workplace. Let's explore how we can go from sympathy to empowerment. The understanding needs. Before talking policies, let's what differently abled workers really they needed. Workers they really needed. It's not a pity. It's equal opportunity. They need accessible infrastructures, ramps, elevators, braille, signboards, then adaptive tech and flexible work environments. Also, the emotional support matters, respect from peers, clear communications, then job roles suited to their unique strength. For example, visually impact the individual excel in voice-based customer support, and those with mobility challenges sign in IT and design roles. When we match abilities with roles, productivity rises for everyone. So let's start seeing ability, not disability. So DT define. So DT define first what are the challenges they have faced. So in this line we will discuss the challenges of the labors. Now, what stopping us from achieving inclusion? The biggest barriers are stigma, lack of awareness, inaccessible. So then different able individuals due to biased and fear of extra responsibilities. Public transport and digital tools often lack of accessibility. Even with industries and like manufacturing or construction or safety gear is not designed for their needs. So we also have policy gaps while laws exist, enforcement is weak. The key challenge is the bridging the gap between potential and opportunity that we need to fix it. So generating welfare solutions. The government of India launched several programs to the laborers. Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan, Accessible India campaign for workforce accessibility. Deen Dayal Disability Rehabilitation Scheme for vocational training. PM Daksha Yojana for technical skill development. Skill India mission to upskill differently abled youth. The private industries also like have Tata Steel, Wipro, and the Lemon Tree Hotels have also started inclusive hiring drives. Corporate CRs funds are now channeled into accessibility projects. Welfare does not mean charity. It means giving a people the tools stand tall with confidence. Building solutions. So, what kind of solution we have used to create lasting change? We need pilot projects, small experiments that can scale up later. Example, Lemon Trees Hotels employs over 20% different able staff, proving that inclusions can boost both productivity and brand image. The IT and BBO sectors use speech to text software for visually impaired coders. Then manufacturing firms are experimenting with AI-based robotic assistants for workers with mobility challenges. Startups are developing assistive tech for the smart prosthetics to digital learning apps. This model shows that when accessibility means innovation, yeah, we don't just create the jobs, we create dignity for them. So next, the testing and refining programs. So what we have tested, what we had in hand. So every good idea needs testing. So organizations can pilot programs in one branch or a plant and track outcomes, which is like attendance, satisfaction, and productivity. So when models succeed, they should be scaled with government and NGO partnerships. For example, NASCOM Foundation and Microsoft India run programs training thousands of different able youth in digital skills. The Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities provides grants for such expansions. The scaling means more impact, not just in metros, but in a tier 2 or rural areas where 70% of India's differently abled population in lives. Then the collaborative empowerment slides engage you. The inclusion is not a one-time event, it is a process of continuous improvement. The company should platforms accessibility audits every year, checking buildings, softwares, or HN policies. Likewise, they maybe made it. Training sessions on disability sensitivity should be regular, not occasional. So technology updates the voice recognition, sign language, translation, adaptive tools can keep evolving. Then they encourage the feedback from differently abled people's employees, they will tell you the what truly works. Then remember, the small upgrades make a big difference. A ramp, a flexible schedule, or just empathy. So every improvement turns workplace into inclusive communities. So next, the continuous innovation. We just the future is all about the inclusive methodologies or technology or equal opportunities. So imagine a tools transfer sign language in real time. So our robotic assistive wheelchair uses in factories. Likewise, the government and industries must collaborate to equal opportunity sales and inclusive HR policies. The new startups focusing on assistive tech like Tinkle Bulbs and Bleatech or leading the change. Then recap, we are in the last slide. So, what is the recap from the session? So, to wrap it up, then summarized, we understood who differently abled workers or what they need and the challenges they face. We explore PM schemes, industry examples, and the future solution. Remember, like access is not a favor. It is a fundamental rights under the Rights of Person and Disabilities Act 2016. Let's shift the mindset from sympathy to opportunity. So I just told you something in the slide. I ask yourself, is your workplace truly inclusive? The start small, be the change. So because when everyone gives a fair chance, or we don't just build better companies, we build a better country. So okay, thank you so much all. So listening. So wonderful topic we had discussed in this video. So thank you all so much. Thank you once again.